Hello, welcome back. So welcome to the concluding part of the class. So we have done with our
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
Let me go back to it. Let me adjust it a little bit and adjust this also a little bit. Then after that, I'll now go back to transition. You go and click the text, you go back to edit, and you go and give it a transition. Go back to it. Then you want to give it in transition. Then let's give it this. No, not this one. Let me go back. No, I want to give the Arabic text, first Arabic text. I'll go back to edit. I'll go back to my transition. Then I'll give it this. Let me see the transition, the level of the transition of the movement. Let me give it 1.0. No, let me go back to 0.7. Then I'll now go to the translation. I'll go to edit. I'll give it transition. I'll give it this left hand side. Then let me increase it to 0.7 also. Then I'll now go back to the second ayah. I'll go back to edit. I'll go and give it transition. I'll give it this right transition also. I'll increase it to 0.7. Then I'll go to the translation. I'll go back to edit. I'll increase the transition. I'll use this left also. I'll increase the transition to 0.7. I'll now go back to the last one. I'll go back to edit. I'll go back to transition. The right hand side, I will increase it to 0.7. No. The left hand side, I will increase it to 0.7. Then the Arabic text, I use the right hand side. The right transition, I will increase to 0.7 also. Then this is it.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
So let me just fade this. I'll go back to my sound and mark it. Then I'll go back to my music. Then this, I will edit it.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا. يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
Okay, that's that about that. Then if you want to increase the volume, you can increase it. If you want to split your text, you can come here to split your text. If you want to record, you can give it record effect. Then after that, okay, I'm not using that. Then I can give it a sticker if I like. Then I want to give it a watermark. I want to give it my caption, my logo. Then I will now duplicate it. Then take it back. And let me drag it all over the Then I will now edit it. Go back to edit. I will change it to my watermark. I'll change to my watermark. Then I'll give it ALM Creative. I will take it to the top here. After that, then I'll go back to edit. I'll go to this color. Then the label, I will cancel the label. Then let me just give it a border. Or let me change the color to black. No? Let me cancel the label. Let me go back to text. Let me give it a black color if I like. Then if I don't want to give it a black color, I can just give it a border and give it a black border. If I want to increase the border here, I can come here to increase the border here if I wish. Can you see? I want to increase the border. I can come here to increase the border here. Though I'm not using the border. Let me cancel the border. So I want to give it a text. I want to give it a black color text. Then after that, I want to give it a transition. I'm not giving it a normal transition. I want to give it a loop transition. Then I want to give it this transition. Or let me check another one. Let me check another one. And just give this loop transition and reduce the size. Reduce the size of this. Let me increase the size. Let me increase the size of this also. Okay, I think it is okay by me. Then you click it. Okay, let's check the final part.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا.
Okay, that is a simple method on how to create a Quran video. So we've been meeting our next class. So I want to create like 2 or 3 methods for us. So bye.